Hi everyone, we are today on Chaweng, just next to the Central Festival. You can see the sign right here. Between the Central and the lake, you have a market, guys. So for those who are coming to Samui and are looking for a market, you can find a market here, but it's only every Thursday, Friday and Saturday, guys. So of course, because of COVID, you need to check your temperature and wear a mask. But it's quite good, you know, because all the walking streets on Samui are now like closed, you know. The ones who were in Lamai, Bophut and Chaweng are closed. So this is the only market, I mean not the only one, but one of the biggest one on Samui, which is operate now. And of course you have many different sellers, t-shirt sellers, bracelet sellers, lamp sellers, statues sellers. You have Vita right here. She's happy because she bought a new bracelet. So yeah, many of you guys are asking how is life in Samui. We are quite busy for the last few days. For those who are following us on Instagram, you will see the link soon to our Instagram page where we are putting daily stories. So for those who are following us, you can see that we were quite busy because we had groups and some clients, so we are quite happy right now. And as you can see, life is coming back, so it's really good. And so many of our clients are asking where they can find a market. So right here you can find this market every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, between the lake and the Central Festival, with a lot of nice things. We love these lamps. And of course you have on a side thing sellers, which a lot of things, as you can see, swimming suit, Thai boxing shorts, and on the other side you have a lot of street food sellers and also tables where you can sit and enjoy your food, guys. So of course, again, it's not like 100% busy, but it is much better than what it was 6 months or a year ago. And hopefully the walking street in Lamai, Chaweng and Bophut will reopen soon. But it's already nice that we can find in Chaweng this one, even if it's only 3 days a week. It is better than nothing. So you have almost the same sellers that you can find in Naton, for example, because there is also a market in Naton. There is also a market in Bangrak. And for those who are looking for fried insects, you can find it on this market. Sticky rice, many different things are available. So it's quite nice, and you have also music. I try to avoid the music because after it's a problem on YouTube, you know, because about copyright. We certainly gonna go to Chaweng Center later to have our dinner, so I think make another part to this video in Chaweng Center to check how it is right now. But as you can see on this market, you have both Thai people, of course, but also many foreigners, many tourists. So again, it's not a normal situation as it should be like more people, but as you can see, it is not as bad and pretty good. We have chicken gyoza. Quite busy in this part, the street food part. So Rita wants me to show you the food. Again, you have the insect skewers, cricket, silkworm. Skewers, again, even some dessert like kind of cheesecake. Even a fruit seller, sorry. Actually the mango normally is 40 baht a kilo, but it is a market, so it's a bit more expensive. It's 60 baht per kilo, but it's still okay. And you can even buy it, directly cut it and prepared in a box, and you can enjoy it on the tables that I showed you before, which are right on the left there. So this is new. Because of COVID, you need to go through this gate where they are, I don't know which product they are putting there, but I'm not sure it's working against COVID, but anyway, you have to do like that. Okay guys, so I will make, I think, another part, because we now gonna go to Chaweng Center, right behind the Central Festival, to see how it looks like. See you soon.